All right. Well, first of all, thank you for talking with me about this.
No problem.
During was it this spring break?
It was a spring break, yes.
You went down to Arizona State University.
Yeah, they have their West Campus.
And were you there just like for the whole spring break, or were you there?
I got there Sunday, and I left Wednesday afternoon.
Mm-hmm.
But I actually worked there on campus Monday and Tuesday, only those 2 days.
And you were doing research on MRSA, wasn't it?
It's a technique that's used to strain different types of bacteria, and I was checking to see if we can actually use this technique for our MRSA research here. Like, I wasn't actually doing the research, I was learning the technique for it.
And what is the MRSA research you're doing right now?
I'm working with Dr. Rago, who's a biology professor here at Lewis, and he's been doing research on MRSA isolates in the Chicagoland area with different ambulances and different locations throughout the Chicagoland area. So we were trying to see if we can use the technique that they have at Arizona State, if we can send our samples out there and they can strain type them for us and send it back, the information.
It's like to see if you can get any results from what you're looking into and everything. And was it just because that was what your class was doing, or did you
I'm in an undergraduate research class, so it's kind of like that was my special topic that I was working on. There's other people that are actually going out there collecting the isolates for the studying, but my little subspecialty would be this multi-top procedure that they do at Arizona State.
And how did you guys arrange the whole thing with Arizona?
I think Dr. Rago, he said that he met Dr. Sandrin, the person that's in charge of the lab at Arizona State, at a conference, and they were talking about it there. And then touched base with them this semester, and they arranged everything to get me out there to watch the procedure done.
And can you explain just a little bit what MRSA is? I know it's a bacterial infection, but
yes.
I don't know.
MRSA is a bacteria, or it's a type of strain of bacterium. It's Staphylococcus aureus bacteria, but it's resistant to methicillin, which is a type of antibiotic. So it's an antibiotic-resistant bacteria that causes different types of infection, and
the fact that it's resistant makes it
it's harder to treat because of it.
Is it very widespread and
it actually is. It's a common hospital acquired, but it's also common source of community acquired infection in the area. And the reason that it's so troubling is due to the fact that it's resistant to a wide variety of antibiotics. It's not just methicillin, it can be resistant to all different types, and it depends on each individual type of bacteria. Each individual strain can be resistant to many different types of bacteria.
Overall, you thought the trip was very worthwhile, and that it's going to help a lot.
It's going to help because it kind of builds just a connection. Even though I wasn't able to do the MRSA research there, because we couldn't have our isolates at the Arizona State campus when I was there, it builds a collaboration, and it's nice that we can send our research to them, a place that has the resources to do a procedure like this, because it's very, very expensive to actually have the machinery for it. So kind of just building a connection, I feel like it's a great opportunity for the school.